If your chicken breast turns out dry, it's not the chicken's fault. Today, I'm going to show you the real trick to make it juicy every time. And no, it's not magic, it's just that most people cook it wrong. And the thing is, it's happened to everyone. You make it, you cut it, and it looks like cardboard.
And I'm just going to use a couple of chicken breasts, salt, pepper, oil, and butter. My first essential step is to prepare the chicken breasts. They will always have an irregular shape. The point is for you to notice it's thicker on one side than the other. So what I'll do is cut it in a way that gives me a larger fillet, but with a more or less even thickness.
All over.
That's the idea.
The first common mistake is leaving it very uneven in thickness. If it's this thick over here and this thin over there, you're definitely going to get bad results.
Once both are prepared, we add salt to each one. And also freshly ground black pepper, which really enhances the flavors a lot. But don't stop there. Do it on both sides, it'll always pick up more flavor. Another extra touch you can add is to sprinkle a little garlic powder on it. That's up to each person's taste.
Now here's something people don't usually do. Be patient, let it rest. This makes the juices settle back in, and that changes everything.
Pan with a splash of oil over medium-high heat.
Pan nice and hot, but not smoking.
The chicken goes into the pan.
Right now, the most common mistake. No, don't touch it. If you're moving it too much, you're losing juices.
When you see it starting to brown around the edges, flip it over. It takes about 5 minutes on each side. And once it's cooked on both sides, add a teaspoon of butter, just like you heard. Thanks to the heat of the pan, it will melt in no time.
Pay attention to this trick. It makes all the difference.
Baste it with the butter. This simple step completely changes the dish.
This is what takes it from good to amazing. Take out the chicken. And here, a lot of people mess it up too. Don't cut it yet. Because if you cut it right now, bam. Goodbye, juices. I'll use the second breast to go over the details with you. We place the breast.
We don't touch it. When it starts to brown around the edges, we flip it over.
We brown the second side as much as we want.
And finally, we baste it again with the pan. It needs to already have butter. 2 chicken breasts ready to serve. And the food is ready.
This isn't dry. It's something else. It's dangerous to do it at home, and then don't ask for anything else.
Another good thing is that it almost comes apart without moving the knife. Soft and delicious.
Tell me the truth. Were you also one of those who made dry chicken breasts? I'll go clean up, and you save this video. It's going to save more than one meal for you.